Kubelishuan ni piboro tekane kadai ka syllabus jongki GD Constable General Duty Constable SSC kidai jongki BSF CRPF SSB ITBP teter gitu hi te gitu gi badon jeng but sisa ban pen kret nam takane exam tekane kadai ka syllabus te sa check ba puli bhanang ne ngan batai phi gitu gi badon kamo scheme of examination computer based examination kine ken pihak ban thok lang baka exam kide bet multiple choice ngot ba pihak ban ndala alot epi ka jaka ma thok exam pihak ban le lang ba hangta bade besaban tem lang baka computer. The computer based examination will consist of one objective type paper containing 100 question kan tangka paper 100 question carrying 100 marks tekine gi part dan part A part B part C part D. Part A the general intelligence and reasoning, part B the general knowledge and general awareness, part C the elementary mathematics, part D the English lane Hindi kawe. Teki marks kolong baik absan marks absan teli question absan mark shimak kawe ka jingkali te kapor kolong khandai 4 minute te kan mau bahangan matai lupa mta ba pihak ban le bahai kene ka part A part B nomor ba kidon cut off mark te kapat bi kham kadon gatkum ki jingjit jungphi mar ba kadon lightly ki choice ba pinjit kadon border Naxal state mar ba la phikwa ban lecture po ki Naxal area kum gine ki chapo Bihar sini ki state mar ko ka general tengun ba kaya per ka cut off mark what the kamak ko ka per te phaban ka shong sakha ka jingjit ka jungphi. Okay, all question will be of objective multiple choice kan multiple choice ba English and Hindi. Okay, so there will be negative marking. There will be a negative marking of 0.25 marks. Kemudian maka away question kadang negative marking kalau ngalapi bakalan 0.25 marks. The 0.25 kemudian nakashimak kemudian kan long by 0.25 pihak sausin kan 0.25 kan long shimak. San po long shispa te ngut ba la ta bu question la da phi bakala ngut ba ko la phi bakala sau tali ngut ba phidu ka we ka shimak phidu la bakala sau tali question phidu shimak ke tamo ka ma ba 0.25 ka di kan negative marking gen te la da phi attempt san po tali te tu mo sa khen yi mak tu phi bakala no you know sap gen ba 0.25 tu ngut la sau ta ki jingli phi bakala ngut ba shimak phila du e kata gen 0.25 Desa perkat bah syuaban tik ya kayu. Pila ban tik ya bah pisau tikna. Pila ban tik tembak amde ban tik lut baro. Marba pilsa duna kamak. The date of examination will be informed to candidate only to the website of the commission. Ya kitarik sepentip lengba ke website baik. Ma, te ka benta ka ban sawan kan dei hau ka tarik la debu yang ta ka application ma. Te kan dan hau arjar apply bane feb hai kan sang plik application ban yo ban tab. There shall be no provision of re-evaluation. Amdon kata ka re-evaluation na rechecking ik score. Amdon kumata mark score by candidate na computer based examination will be normalized mud bakin ken get kum ka behalf ka shift ayu te lada ka hat ka question nang tu bede bot lada phi duna kan he layo shu phomak lada ka ka question jong phi mud ka kin normalize kin gon ka jing ken jong ki mud phin q mark te lada don phi ha ka shift ko basuk ka jing kli lada phi yo he ru kin minus kan. Tentative answer key the computer based will be placed on the website. Okay, the answer ebro kita submit po website. Tu biang. Okay, the question on the computer based will be of matriculation level. Baik ma, kidai baik nam ta ki jingli kidai baik class 10 level. Amdai bantam class 10 ya ka class ian hari baik class 10 level ma. Okay, candidate are not permitted to use calculator. Okay. Kini syllabus. Syllabus for the examination will be as follow. General intelligence and reasoning, analytic aptitude, ability to observe and distinguish pattern will be tested through question principally or non-verbal time. The component will include question on analogies. Sa what na Google mo kamot ayu analogies, similarities and differences, spatial visualization kidai de kidur, mo spatial visualization, spatial orientation, visual memory kan ai to kidur sa pha UP uno badai ni kine phajet choice bi labo ka dur sautali uno ban hab angta. Okay. Discrimination, observation, relationship concept, kajingnya day so kebik paparan father brother gitu jengkali, arithmetic reasoning, figure classification, arithmetic number series, to ki number series kenyo, non-verbal series kenyo, coding and decoding kendan. Kan mau mas panggil number series ngatrai pianang hilang praktis ba, non-verbal series, and coding and decoding. Kin I di kin letter but I number te bisa code kan. No ben tamta sajid ka choice kita. Kana de naka general intelligence and reasoning. General knowledge and general awareness. Question in this component will be aimed at testing the candidate general awareness of the environment around him. Question will also be designed to test knowledge of current event and of such matter of everyday observation. Current event kibarang GSN ben of everyday observation and experience in the scientific aspect as may be expected of any educated person. The test will also include question relating to India, kibarich pang India and its neighboring countries. Kiba marjan jongka India kini kiri bawa marjan. No, kan mau tapi ampule. Especially pertaining to sports, kibarich pang sports, history, culture, geography, mama, economic scene, general polity, kibarich pang politik, Indian Constitution, kita hafte bahag Indian Constitution, and scientific research, pang science research. The question will be such that they do not require a special study of any discipline. Kin ai kata kadur ba kande be jongki kasten level, amdai wan tam ma, amdan ka man puli tam na puli ma. Te sakama wan krep hai tu ma. History, culture, geography, economic, general polity barak tu lah batai. Okay. General knowledge and general awareness. Okay, tu lah dah. Elementary mathematics. This paper will include question on problem relating to number system, computation of whole number, decimal and fractions, relationship between numbers, fundamental arithmetic operation, percentage, okay, percentage on 1, ratio and proportion on 1, average on 1, interest on 1, profit on 1, profit and loss, discount, mensuration, time and distance, ratio and time and work extra. English and his candidate ability to understand basic English and his basic comprehension would be tested. Kini long baik basic baik te pilaban ayu dan kamayu te pilaban baik English di basic baik nandu ki grammar nandu ki check grammar spelling synonym antonym kumta baik te sa check itu ka paper ka ngadap upload ke question paper te sa check nuksan ang turu kumno kilong kali piaban pen krel pana dum tamo la pimdon piliban on por pinaban check kumno shitengan ta shingi na piaban check baik man kasi nien hadu rawan ka por mot pilala te sa practice lupa ka jing mare ero omdei bang practice tang ka jing tang nam ta ka exam te nang ta tang kanehi te try pila sutu kresibon.